Hello everyone, I'm Anvi. I've secured a percentile of 9.5 in JEE Paper 2 and I've been with SSAC since a year, and it's been truly one of the best decisions of my life. So firstly, talking about the teachers, Shruti ma'am, Ananjay sir, Farooq sir, Mini ma'am and everybody else are incredibly encouraging and super supportive. They don't only teach us for the exam, but we're also guided by them for the life that comes ahead of us. You truly feel like an elder sibling is talking to you. They also teach in such a way that the preparation does not feel monotonous at all. In fact, I looked up to Shruti ma'am's classes every single time, and trust me, there's so much more to standard preparation. I would also like to mention one thing is that we are also taught a few extra things just to get a better hold of the concept, and it has helped me so much. I'm sure it is going to create a base for my architecture career, and yeah, if you're considering architecture as an option, it's your sign to get into SSAC ASAP, because you will miss out on so many things if you don't. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.